Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about absolute value in the chapter of real numbers standard 9. Absolute value, if the definition of absolute value is that if x is real number, then absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on the number line. Again I repeat here, if x is real number, then the absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on the number line. If suppose this is number line, at center we represent as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, to left side -1, -2, -3, -4 and onward. Suppose we are taking real number as 3, means we are taking the value of x as 3, then its distance from 0 is, we are counting here from 0 to 1 1 unit, 1 to 2 to 1 unit, and 2 to 3 again 1 unit, means its distance from 0, this distance is 3 unit, and therefore absolute of 3, it is written like this way, absolute of 3 is equal to 3. If suppose we take the value of x real number, that is equal to -4, suppose, means here we are taking x is equal to -4, means -1, -2, -3, -4, means we have to take this point as real number. Now we are counting the distance from 0, this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit, means this distance of -4 from this 0, it is 4 unit only, because distance is always positive, and we already find out that distance in number line concept of math second, and that's why here the modulus of -4 is also 4, means though that real number is taking as negative, but its distance from 0 on number line is always positive, and that's why modulus of -4 is 4. It is also called as absolute value or modulus, means there are two concepts same, absolute value and modulus. Now what are the properties of modulus? The first property, if x greater than 0, means x is positive number, at that time modulus of x is equal to x. Second one, if x is equal to 0, then modulus of x is equal to 0, because modulus of 0 is 0. And third one, if x is negative, means less than 0, then mod of x is equal to -x. Here this concept is here, x is negative, then we put here mod of x, that is equal to -x, means if x is negative, then its absolute value is positive, and these are the properties of modulus. Again I repeat here, modulus means absolute value, and it is the distance of that real number from 0 on the number line. Using this definition, we have to solve practice set 2.5. We are solving here practice set 2.5. Question number 1. Question is that find the value. Question is given as modulus of 15 minus 2. It is also called as absolute value of 15 minus 2. First we have to solve the expression given in the modulus sign. 15 minus 2, that is equal to 13, and modulus of 13 means simply 13, and that is the first answer. Now the second question, second example, modulus of 4 minus 9. Again we simplify the bracket, means absolute first 4 minus 9 expression, simplification is -5, and absolute value of -5 is simplified. Now the third example from same question, absolute value of 7 multiplied absolute value of negative 4. Here two absolutes are given and we have to solve them. Absolute value of 7 is 7 into absolute of 4, negative 4 is 4, and 7 into 4, that is equal to 28. In first two examples, expression is given in modulus sign. In third example, two separate absolute values are given and then their product is given. Now the second question, see the second question, question number 2 is solve. It is given as modulus of 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. As this 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 means the expression 3x minus 5 having two values, either positive 1 or negative 1, and therefore here we write, means removing this absolute value, we obtain 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 or 3x minus 5 is equal to negative 1, because their absolute value is always positive 1. Means absolute of 1 is also positive 1, absolute of negative 1 is also positive 1. Now we simplify this equation separately for finding the value of x. Here we obtain 3x, 1 as it is, and we transfer this minus 5 from left side to right side. It will become plus, or 3x is equal to negative 1. Again we transfer this negative 5 to right side, it will become positive. Here we obtain 3x is equal to 6, or 3x is equal to 4, minus 1 plus 5. Again transfer this 3 to right side, it will become divide, means x is equal to 6 upon 3, or x is equal to 4 upon 3. We can simplify this 6 upon 3 as 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, means here we obtain two values, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4 upon 3. In this way, this is the first example. There are two values we obtained for x, 2 and 4 upon 3. Now the second example we are taking here, example number 2, mod 7 minus 2x, modulus of 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. Again we are taking two values, plus 5 and minus 5, for the expression 7 minus 2x. Therefore here we write 7 minus 2x is equal to 5, or 7 minus 2x is equal to minus 5. Next one we simplify for x. Here we obtain minus 2x is equal to 7 transfer to left side, it will become minus 5, plus 5 minus 7, or minus 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 7. Again simplifying it, we obtain minus 2x is equal to minus 2. 5 minus 7 means minus 2, or minus 2x is equal to minus 12. 5 and 7 having same sign, that's why algebraic addition will be minus 12. Now we simplify it, minus 2 is multiplying here, we divide to right side, x is equal to minus 2 upon minus 2, or x is equal to minus 12 upon minus 2. Now minus 2 and minus 2, answer will be 1, means the value of x is 1, or again we divide 2 by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is, and both negative become positive, means the value of x is 6, means here we obtained two values of x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 6. Now we are taking third example from the same question, modulus of 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. Again here for the expression in modulus sign, there are two values possible, plus 5 and minus 5. Means here we write 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5, or 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to minus 5. These two on left it is dividing here. When we transfer to right side it will become multiply. 8 minus x is equal to 5 into 2, or 8 minus x is equal to negative 5 multiplied 2. Therefore 8 minus x, 5 minus 5 to the 10, or 8 minus x is equal to minus 5 into 2 means minus 10. Now we have to find out the value of x. Minus x as it is, transferring this 8 to right side it will become minus, or minus x is equal to minus 10 minus 8. Minus x is equal to 10 minus 8 means 2, or minus x is equal to minus 18. 10 minus 10 and 8 both having same sign. Algebraic addition is minus 18. Changing the sign of left side, we have to also change the sign of right side. X is equal to negative 2, or x is equal to 18. Means here two values of x are there, minus 2 and 18. Next one, last example from the same question number. Fourth example, modulus of 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. Again here for the expression in modulus sign 5 plus x upon 4, there are two values possible, plus 5 and minus 5. Therefore here we write 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to plus 5, or 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to minus 5. Now we simplify it. When this 5 transfer to right side it will become minus, means negative 5 minus 5, or x upon 4 is equal to negative 5 negative 5. 5 minus 5 0, means for first x upon 4 is equal to 0, or x upon 4 is equal to minus 5 minus 10. Now we transfer this 4 to right side, it will become multiplying to 0, 0 into 4, or x is equal to negative 10 into 4. Therefore x is equal to 0, 0 into 4 is 0, or x is equal to minus 10 into 4, that is answer minus 40. And in this way we solve the examples of absolute value. At last again I repeat the definition of absolute value. If x is real number, then absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on the number line. In short, the number without signs, means though the real number is negative, its absolute value is simply positive because the distance is always positive. Okay, here we will stop. The next chapter you will see in next video.